Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 25. Mending Wall. Spring sunlight spilled over the fields as I grabbed my hammer and walked to the stone wall dividing my land from my neighbors. Stones, toppled by winter frost, lay scattered like memories across the grass. He came out, eyes squinting, muttering his usual, "Good fences make good neighbors," and I laughed, shaking my head, wondering why we built walls when trees and streams flowed freely. Together we lifted heavy rocks, stacking carefully, hands sore but steady, sharing small jokes about past winters. The wind carried scents of thawing earth and blooming flowers, and I realized some walls are more than stone. They're habits, traditions, tests of patience. By sunset, the wall stood straight again. Yet I felt the space between us as wide and curious as ever, a reminder that boundaries exist, but questioning them can make work and life richer. Now listen to the poem. Spring sun warms the scattered stones. Winter's frost has claimed its loans. Neighbor mutters, hammer in hand, "Good fences make good land." I laugh, questioning the wall. Why build what will someday fall? Together we lift, stack and sweat, jokes shared in sunlight's net. Earth smells warm, flowers bloom, stone and habit fill the room. Wall stands straight at day's decline, space between still curious, fine. Boundaries hold, yet hearts may see, work and life are richer free.